Hey YouTube, I'm back at another attempt at making a video. It's January 7th, 2025, and we have had 18 inches of snow. And I'm getting ready to try to start the TL12 diesel to go out and help a neighbor because this is a record snowfall for our area and nobody's able to get around. So currently, it's handy. It's 10 degrees out. So I did have this thing started yesterday and had it out. So let's see if it'll start today. Maybe after that we'll get some footage of trying to run it. But with one hand, it's a pain in the butt. My nephews would sure be happy though. Apparently they are not very happy with me because I haven't made any videos, but let's see what she's gonna do. Some smoke. Come on, baby. Yeah. The 4BT started. There is no block heater or grid heater of any kind, and you saw me, I didn't use any ether, so I'm going to let it warm up for now, and then maybe we'll be back. Okay, I'm here at my neighbor's driveway. I didn't feel the need to film that. It's about 2 miles of me cowering behind the hood of my loader here, trying not to freeze to death. So, not very interesting. Plus, driving with one hand is a pain. Here's the driveway. Really, it doesn't look too bad, but I've got to get through all this. Both sides of the road. So this berm here is waist high, and supposedly we had 18 inches. I think I said earlier, that's record book snowfall for here, at least in one snow. But anyways, I'll see if I can get this opened up for him and make a pass or two down the driveway, and we'll see what happens. Let me get up on the loader and I'll try to do some filming here, but I doubt it will be very good, but my nephews will be happy regardless, so let's see what happens. Okay, so I've got the main entrance to the driveway cleared. We'll make a pass down the lane here. It's not very deep down the lane, so it shouldn't be too big of a deal as long as I've got my bucket adjusted right. Tooth bucket isn't ideal for this, but if I made something to move snow with, it'd probably be another 100 years before I used it. So we get by with what we got. going to show the yard here because I don't have permission, but what I've got so far. I'll come back. Well, I just finished cleaning up the yard a little more here at the house so the school bus can get in. Sun's about to go down, and I think we're gonna call it a day. Check out that sunset. Anyways, thanks for watching.